English to Pashto sentences. What did you name your son? تا خپل زوی له څه نوم کیښو. What did you name your son? I have named my son Ali. ما خپل زوی له علي نوم کیښو. I have named my son Ali. This tomato is rotten. دا ټماټر څخه شوی دی. This tomato is rotten. Separate the rotten tomatoes. څخه شوي ټماټر جدای کا. Separate the rotten tomatoes. He is upset with you. هغه ستانه خفه دی. He is upset with you. Is he still upset with me? آیا هغه د اوسه پورې زما نه خفه دی. Is he still upset with me? Who is at the door? په دروازې کې څوک دی. Who is at the door? Whose door are you knocking? ته د چا دروازه ټکای. Whose door are you knocking? What did you hide from me? تا زمانه څه پټ کړو. یعنی تا زمانه څه شی پټ کیښودو. What did you hide from me? I hid nothing from you. ما ستانه هیڅ نه دی پټ کړي. یعنی ما ستانه هیڅ شی پټ نه دی ایښی. I hid nothing from you. How did he hit on your head? هغه ته څنګ په سر وویشتې. How did he hit on your head? He hit on my head with ball. هغه زما سر په بال وویشتو. He hit on my head with ball. When did you come to know about it? تا ته دې باره کې کله پته ولګېده. When did you come to know about it? I just came to know about it right now. ما ته دې باره کې اوس پته ولګېده. I just came to know about it right now. He is bent on ruining my name. هغه زما د نوم خرابېدو پسې لګېدلی دی. He is bent on ruining my name. He is bent on going there. هغه دغلته پتلو پسې لګېدلی دی. He is bent on going there. Is the mobile charging? آیا موبایل چارج کیږي. Is the mobile charging? The mobile is charging very slow. موبایل ډیر په قلاره چارج کیږي. The mobile is charging very slow. Who ran out of breath? د چا سارا مات شو. Who ran out of breath? He ran out of breath. د هغه سارا مات شو. He ran out of breath. Don't get into his talks. د هغه په خبرو کې مه راځه. Don't get into his talks. یعنی د هغه په خبرو کې مه ګیریږه. Don't get into his sweet talks. د هغه په خوږو خبرو کې مه راځه. Don't get into his sweet talks. He schemes. هغه شومتوب کوي. He schemes. he schemes while buying. هغه د اغستو په وخت کې شومتوب کوي. he schemes while buying. go and give him a befitting reply. لاړ شه او هغه له سم تللی جواب ورکا. go and give him a befitting reply. I gave him a befitting reply. ما هغه له سم تللی جواب ورکو. I gave him a befitting reply. bottle is half filled. بوتل نیم ډک شوی دی. bottle is half filled. bottle is half empty. بوتل نیم تش دی. bottle is half empty. I don't like your insanity. ما تستا لیوانتوب نه دی خوښ. I don't like your insanity. come out of your insanity. د خپل لیوانتوب نه راوځه. come out of your insanity. my hand has gone to sleep. زما لاس اوده شوی دی. my hand has gone to sleep. یعنی زما لاس میږي شوی دی. how is the food. خوراک څنګه دی. how is the food. the food is very delicious. خوراک ډیر مزیدار دی. the food is very delicious. this is the matter of happiness. دا خو د خوشحالۍ خبره ده. this is the matter of happiness. this is not the matter of happiness. دا د خوشحالۍ خبره نه ده. this is not the matter of happiness. do you know. آیا تا ته پته ده. do you know. I know nothing. ما ته هیڅ پته نشته. I know nothing. who is responsible for this. د دې ذمہ دار څوک دی. who is responsible for this. I am not responsible for this. د دې ذمہ دار زه نه یم. I am not responsible for this. she grabbed my lapel. هغې زما ګریوان ونیو. she grabbed my lapel. release my lapel. ګریوان می پریدا. release my lapel. why did you grab his lapel. تا د هغه ګریوان ولی ونیو. why did you grab his lapel. I am angry with him. زه هغه ته غوسه یم. I am angry with him. I am mad with him. زه هغه ته د غوسې نه لیونی یم. I am mad with him. I am getting angry. ما له غوسه راځي. I am getting angry. He is getting angry. هغه له غوسه ورځي. He is getting angry. He is getting angry for no reason. هغه له بې وجې غوسه ورځي. He is getting angry for no reason. I don't want to see your face. زه ستا مخ قدرې لیدن نه غواړم. I don't want to see your face. Get out of my sight. د مخې نه مې فنا شه. Get out of my sight. Shame on you. لعنت دی پتا باندې. Shame on you. You should be ashamed of yourself. تاله په ځان شرم کول پکار دی. You should be ashamed of yourself. It is all because of you. دا ټول ستا د وجې وشو. It is all because of you. It is all because of me. دا ټول زما د وجې شوي دي. It is all because of me. Go to hell. ورکیږه. Go to hell. Why are you getting angry? ته ولې قاریږې. Why are you getting angry? He slapped me. هغه ماله سپېړه راکړه. He slapped me. I am getting furious. زه د قاره سورکېږم. I am getting furious. He is getting furious. هغه د قاره سورکېږي. He is getting furious. Don't provoke him. هغه را پاروه ما. Don't provoke him. Why are you crying? ته ولې جاړې. Why are you crying? You start crying on petty things. ته په وړو وړو خبرو جړا کوې. You start crying on petty things. Where is your phone? ستا فون کوم ځای دی. Where is your phone? یعنی ستا فون چرته دی. I have lost my phone. زما فون ورک شوی دی. I have lost my phone. My phone got stolen. زما فون چاپټ کو. My phone got stolen. You stole my phone. تا زما فون پټ کو. You stole my phone. All of them are good for nothing. ټول د هیڅ مرض دارو نه دي. All of them are good for nothing. یعنی په دې ځای کې خلکو ته اشاره ده چې دا خلک ټول بې پیدې دي. Where is he going? هغه چرته روان دی. Where is he going? He is going outside. هغه بهر طرف ته روان دی. He is going outside. Let him go outside. هغه بهر طرف تلو ته پرېږده. Let him go outside. یا پرېږده چې هغه بهر ته وځي. Let him come inside. هغه دننه راتلو ته پرېږده. Let him come inside. He is becoming weaker. هغه کمزوری کیږي. He is becoming weaker. He is becoming weaker day by day. هغه ورځ تر ورځه کمزوری کیږي. He is becoming weaker day by day. I will keep helping him. زه به د هغه مرسته کول کوم. مرسته یعنی مدد. I will keep helping him. Till when will you keep helping him? ته به د کمې پورې هغه سره مرسته کوې. Till when will you keep helping him? I will always help him. زه به تل د هغه سره مرسته کوم. I will always help him. Someday or another day you will help him. یو نه یو ورځ به ته د هغه سره مرسته کوې. someday or another day you will help him. د دې نور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.